For me, the perfect treat is something that is decadent and indulgent, and as long as you don't wolf them all down in one go, it's actually kind of good for you too.
Oh my gosh.
And one such treat are these no-bake chocolate caramel squares. And seeing as we can't afford to spend a penny more on childcare, I thought it's about time Maya learned all about the family business. So despite offering zero pay or workplace benefits, she joined me at the studio for the morning making these tasty little bites.
Can I try it? Nice.
For the base, we simply blitz some cashews into a crumb, then we throw in dates and a wee bit of maple syrup and blitz it again until it clumps together. Then we add it to a tin and pop it in the freezer. For the caramel layer, we use more dates, which we soak this time before draining them and adding them to the food processor with a load of peanut butter and some plant-based milk. And we blitz that until it's wonderfully smooth.
Can I try some? Can I try some? Can I try some? Can I try some?
Wait.
It's my bit.
Maya, you've had so much. Then that goes back in the freezer while we make the chocolate ganache, which is super simple. All we do is add a bowl over some hot water, then we slowly melt the chocolate with some plant-based milk. And when it's ready, we add it to the tin, make it nice and level, and this time we pop it in the fridge to go firm before slicing into squares to eat. Enjoy.